Alright, let's dive straight into one of the most mind-bending theories out there. The idea that the Earth is actually flat. I know, you've probably heard this before and maybe even laughed it off. But what if, just for a moment, I asked you to question everything you've learned about our planet? Now, flat Earth believers say that the world isn't a spinning ball in space. Instead, it's a flat plane. What we think of as the North Pole is actually the center point. Surrounding the edges, massive impassable walls of ice. Yup, the legendary Antarctic glaciers. According to this theory, these glaciers aren't just cold, deserted places, they're the edge of the known world, like a frozen barrier stopping us from seeing what lies beyond. So what's out there, past these icy barricades? For centuries, explorers have tried to reach the so-called edge, but the story goes that they're always turned back, stopped by extreme weather, government restrictions, or something even stranger. Some say that beyond the Antarctic ice there's a whole other world. Untouched continents. Maybe even civilizations we know nothing about. But it doesn't stop there. Flat Earthers also talk about the mysterious mountain of ice and snow at the North Pole. They claim it's not just a frozen wasteland, but possibly the entrance to something hidden. Maybe a massive opening, maybe even a gateway to other realms. It sounds wild, but think about it. Why is there so little footage from the North Pole? Why are flights over the Arctic so limited? Of course, science tells us the Earth is round. Satellite images, physics, centuries of navigation all support that. But the flat Earth theory keeps popping up because we're all a little curious about the unknown. Whether you're a true believer or just here for the mysteries, one thing's for sure. The world is full of questions, and sometimes it's fun to imagine what might be hiding at the very edge.